Hey guys, Stoikov here. In this video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to create and stream a new YouTube live event. Let me open the software. The first thing that you will see is that the interface is very easy to use. So let me show you how we can create a new event. We click on add a new event, we write the title, let's name it dummy event, description, add the tags. I will pick for tomorrow, choose a thumbnail, choose a video file, and that's it. Now all we have to do is click on update and post the new event on YouTube. Let's check out the event. Yeah, scheduled in 26 hours, everything's okay. Now let me show you how easy it is to start live streaming. All you have to do is click on yes actually, and the live event blaster will do all the hard work for you. Let's see if we are live. Not yet. Oh, okay, we are live. Live event blaster started to stream our local video file. That's how easy it is to create and stream a new YouTube live event using our new software.